Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. And on today's video, I'll be showing you how to simply apply liquid lipstick. So you can see I'm moisturizing our lips, which is super important because if you want your lipstick to blend easy and not to start giving away or cracking all up, you need to moisturize. You can use a Vaseline. If your client has a dry lips, do well to exfoliate before you start out. So I'm using this lip liner, gel liner to line our lips. It comes with a brush, so I'm using the brush. So I'm basically lining it just the way I want it. If your client has full lips, like mine, you need to go in and line it to give the illusion of a smaller lips. Do not overline full lips, you only make the lips appear more swollen. And if the lips is super small, then you can go ahead and overline it. So you can see I'm just doing that and I'm following the shape of the lips I want to create with the lipstick. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, I have more exciting videos, and turn on the notification icon so when I drop a new video, you will be the first to see it. So I have finished lining her lips. I'm just going to blend it in. Remember, anything you want to do, you want to blend properly. You don't want an obvious distinction, sorry about that, between her her lined lips and the actual lipstick. So you want to blend it out to create a transition. So I'm blending it out towards the area that I would apply the actual liquid lipstick. So you can see it. If you are doing your makeup, your lipstick should be like most likely done when you are baking your face or you are done with your makeup. Okay, so that you don't have anything disturbing it when you're doing your lipstick. So I'm taking in this shade and I'm going to be applying in batches. Remember, you don't want to throw everything at once because liquid lipsticks dries, and if you have the one that dries really quickly, it may really cause some uneven blending. So you apply it in batches while you blend. So depending on the intensity you want, you may need to apply enough or more than in each batch, but I'm just going for a very subtle look, so I'm not going to be applying so much. And I'm using my blending brush to just blend out the excess so you can see it. If you want it to be much more intense in color than this, you may need to go in with more quantity with each batch. Okay, so the blending process is super easy when you moisturize. Do not skip moisturizing. One of the reasons why your lipstick breaks or do not last, or you have trouble with applying lipstick, is because you do not moisturize your lips. your lips are dry and there is so much friction on your lips. So moisturize. And here's the final look. If you prefer it matte, if you prefer it glossy, you can just go ahead and add your lip shine or lip gloss over your lips to give it that glossy effect. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please do well to leave it in my comment section, and please subscribe to more of my exciting videos. If you have a video you would like me to do for you, please leave it in the comment section too. Bye.